Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down and tap on passwords and security. Here we have to tap on the privacy, and as you can see at the very first position we've got the SIM lock, and here we've got the SIM we've got currently inserted in our device, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the option to change SIM pin, so after tapping on it we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let's do it. Tap on OK, and right now we have to enter new one, so OK. And confirm it with OK. Here we have to retype it and tap on OK. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that if you will restart your device, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.